All right, this is your 4-chord song tutorial, and we're going the key of G major. We are doing 1, we are doing 6, 4, 5. And here's how we're going to do it. Start on G using your right hand thumb. We're going to go G, B, D, like that. G, B, D. Play that a couple times. Lift, release, lift. Get used to that shape. Okay, 10, 20 times. From there, one finger moves. Pinky goes up, so G, B, E. Play that 10, 20 times. Then practice switching from the first to the second. Use any fingering you want. Okay? Once you've done that, we're going to go to our 3rd chord, which is the C, or the 4th. Okay, so to do that, this finger changes to here. From here to here, here to here, easy. So practice that. Practice 20 times, and then from here we're going to move to D major. Now, don't twist your wrist and uncomfortable. Just put your hand into the keyboard, slide it in, and there's your F sharp, here's your A, and there's your D. Okay? F sharp, A, D. So we've gone from here, G, C, E, slide, F sharp, A, D. G, C, E, F sharp, A, D. Okay? Practice that 10, 20 times. So you can do it slowly. Then you put the first 2 chords together, 10, 20 times, and then put the 2nd to 3rd chord together, 10, 20 times, 10, 20 times, and then put 3rd to 4th, 10, 20 times. Then try slowly putting all 4 together. Back to the beginning. Go slow. This is intermediate, not easy at all, but go slow. Practice 10 or 20 reps in between, and I know you'll get it. Good luck.